phenomenon this afternoon.
And Mark, this is what's called a wake low.
Wake low, W-A-K-E, low. So these are unusual. They're not unheard of, fairly rare around here. And what happens is, as the storms move through, actually on the backside of the storm, the wind increases as there's a gigantic pressure gradient in there. That doesn't always happen. And usually when it happens, you don't get winds to 77 miles per hour. That was the wind gust officially at Mitchell International. It's no surprise we have all these power outages. It's no surprise that we have all these trees down, especially because the soil is super saturated. But that is strong for a wake low wind gust. It will happen occasionally, and we'll kind of talk a little bit more about it coming up. It's still windy. It's not nearly as bad as it was. See that sharp cutoff on the backside? That's what was happening. And you don't issue necessarily a severe thunderstorm warning on this because it's not a severe thunderstorm warning in terms of how we define a severe thunderstorm, because it's on the backside of the system. And the wind goes opposite of the direction. It was moving to the east. The wind came from the east as opposed to coming from the west, which you would get if the storms are coming in. Now let's focus in on what to expect for tonight. Hit and miss storms, not a huge event here. Small threat of severe storms, not zero, small. Wind would be the biggest threat. The good thing is not much additional rain. We picked up about a quarter inch of rain today. So again, isolated strong gust. Very small threat of a tornado. I mean, very, very small. Better chance would be southwestern Wisconsin, and better chance would be well south of us into Missouri and Illinois. Quick hit of scattered storms, so the flooding threat is very low, which is good news. This is where it's not good news. There's some places up to level 4 threat here, including St. Louis and back down into southern Missouri, southern Illinois. For us, our severe threat down to a 1. If you remember yesterday, we were showing we had some areas that were in level 3. What happened? Oh, that rain from this morning and this afternoon, the cloud cover. And I know some of you getting the sun right now, but it's kind of late in the game for us to be able to get too much in the way of instability. So again, small hail, isolated wind gusts for tonight. Very, very unlikely to see a tornado, and flooding is not likely. That's good news. So yes, you're seeing some sun in some spots here, and that's making it a little bit warmer. The fog isn't as dense as it was along the lake. We have some thunderstorms out to the west of us, and some of those could possibly become strong to severe. We take into 6 o'clock. Thinks this is overdone. This is the areas we'll be watching out to the west to see how much of those showers and thunderstorms hold together. All the storms down to the south of us in Illinois, Indiana, Missouri, they're also blocking some of the energy and the moisture from making it here. So that's good news for us. Tomorrow, quiet, and it's winds out of the west. That means we're going to start warming up. No chance of rain, or very little, until next Monday after we get through tonight. 70 in Delavan. You can see the cloud cover here. Just 56 in Milwaukee, but the fog is gone. I think we'll get some sun for the next couple of hours. Mostly cloudy then for tomorrow, but winds are out of the west, so everybody's warm. 63 degrees. Chilly near the lake on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Chilly everywhere, but even colder near the lake. Just 55 on Saturday, but 62 inland. Sunday looks nice for everyone, 66 degrees, and then a chance for showers on Monday. So let's get through this evening. Hopefully no big-time storms. It doesn't look like that'll be the case, but we'll be watching it closely.
All right, you'll keep us updated, Mark. Thank you.
And we'll take a quick break, and we'll be right back. Stay with us.